Hi, everyone. Um, I'm here with Martin, who's going to give a little talk at meet.js Summit this year. And I wanted everyone to meet Martin beforehand and have a chance to hear what he's planning to talk about. So, Martin, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, thank you, CB. So my name is Martin. I am a co-founder of a company called Guana that has been working on something called reachability analysis that I will actually be talking about at the conference. Before that, I did a PhD in static analysis, so primarily focusing on static analysis. So I have a background working a lot with programming languages and has done most of my work in the sort of JavaScript and NPM space.
All right. So this is a good intro, and I want to ask you, and this is a loaded question. What's the most exciting thing recently about static analysis and reachability? And I mean, why are you talking to us about it?
Right. So I think most people who have been doing development in, especially in the NPM ecosystem, knows that there are a lot of security vulnerabilities, a lot of CVEs coming out. If you run an npm install, a pnpm install, you typically get notified about all of these vulnerabilities. And actually, the number of vulnerabilities have been growing quite a lot. Like the rate at which they are released has been growing a lot. And some of it has to do with all of the new AI agents that are coming out and like just finding vulnerabilities all over the place. So what is actually very important is that we have good tooling that can help us prioritize which vulnerabilities we need to address urgently and which ones we can probably afford to not spend too much time on addressing initially.
All right. So yeah, that's very helpful. And about your talk, how deep do you want to go in technicalities? Can we expect our audience to be able to do static analysis after that? Where do you want to go?
Yeah, so my plan is not to sort of go really deep into the technical details of the static analysis, but just talk a little bit about why it's difficult to do static analysis on JavaScript. So I think everybody knows that JavaScript is a fairly dynamic language. You can do like a lot of things which are more complex to do in other languages, and people actually also do them quite frequently. Like, copying all of the functions from one object to another object, something that people do quite frequently. And that's an example of a feature that's actually quite difficult for static analysis to reason about. So I just want to basically tell people a little bit about some of these challenges and then also sort of hint at an open source project we have a tool called Jelly, which is a static analysis for JavaScript that people can try out if they want to see how it actually works in practice.
That sounds cool. So anyone could take it and use it to build their tooling around reachability for whatever need they have.
Yeah, yeah. It is sort of a little bit of an academic tool also, so has a lot of features. It's not necessarily super easy to get started to work on it initially, but you can try to run it and you can see sort of cool visualizations of how the data flow or how the what's called a call graph. So that's basically a model of how different functions call each other in your program. You can get that for your program.
All right. Yeah, and that's where your talk is going to help out. Okay, I'm excited to see it and learn how to get started. Uh, Thanks for the call. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in person on March 4th. See you there.
Yeah, thank you. Looking forward to the talk.